What if I told you that everything you think you know about saving money on your AC is wrong? Turning it off when you leave or cranking it down to the coldest setting might actually cost you more money. That high energy bill you got last month isn't just a number. It's your home sending you a distress signal. Your bill isn't the real problem. It's a symptom of hidden issues draining your bank account and damaging your cooling system. In this video, I'm exposing the lies your AC bill is telling you and sharing simple secrets to save money and protect your home. Let's start with the filter. We've all heard, change your filter, but most people think swapping it out every few months is enough. It's not. Your filter is like your home's lungs. A dirty filter chokes airflow and forces your AC to work harder, wasting energy and money. Just replacing a clogged filter can cut your AC's energy use by 5 to 15%. If it stays clogged, ice can build up on the coils, leading to leaks and expensive repairs. So during summer, check your filter every 30 days. Hold it up to the light. If you can't see through it, replace it. Now let's bust the myth of closed vents. People think shutting vents in unused rooms saves money. Doesn't. Closing vents creates pressure in your ductwork, forcing cool air to leak into your attic or crawl space. Your blower motor has to work harder, which uses more electricity and can even damage your system. The rule is simple: keep your vents open. If you want different temperatures in different rooms, invest in a proper zoning system instead. Next, your outdoor unit. That metal box outside your house isn't just lawn decor. It dumps all the heat pulled from your home. But dirt, dust, and debris clog its fins, trapping heat inside. When that happens, your system runs longer, your bill goes up, and your compressor takes a beating. Here's how to clean it safely. Turn off power at the breaker and the outdoor shutoff box. Use a garden hose to gently spray the fins from inside out. Don't use a pressure washer. It'll damage the delicate metal. Also, keep at least 2 feet of space clear around the unit by trimming bushes or moving objects away. Let's talk about your thermostat habits. Cranking it down super low doesn't cool your home faster. Your AC only has one speed. It will cool the same whether you set it to 75 or 65. Setting it lower just makes it run longer, wasting energy. And turning your AC off completely when you leave can backfire. Your house soaks up heat all day. When you come home and turn the AC back on, it has to work overtime to cool everything down. A smarter solution is a smart thermostat. It learns your schedule, adjusts temperatures while you're gone, and starts cooling before you return. It can pay for itself in a year or two, and many power companies offer rebates. Finally, air leaks and sunlight. Cool air escapes through gaps around windows and doors, and hot air sneaks in. On a windy day, use incense to check for leaks. Watch for smoke moving sideways near frames. Seal leaks with weather stripping or caulk. Also block direct sunlight. Even 1 square foot of sun on your window can act like a tiny heater. Close blinds, hang blackout curtains, or try reflective window film. These simple fixes can cut your cooling costs by 10 to 20%. That piece of paper from the power company isn't just a bill. It's your home's report card. By keeping your filter clean, your vents open, your outdoor unit clear, using your thermostat wisely, and sealing leaks, you'll save real money and protect your biggest investment. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and drop a comment about which AC myth you used to believe. A lower energy bill is great, but the real goal is a healthier, more efficient home that keeps you comfortable for years to come.